If you want to withdraw money from TikTok, this quick guide will show you how to cash out your TikTok earnings step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines in the top corner. Next, go to TikTok Studio, then tap on Monetization. Here you'll see your earnings and available balance. If you're eligible for programs like creator rewards or gifts, your balance will appear at the top. Tap on Balance, then tap View Details. But in my mobile phone, it does not show. I will tell you the steps. Now scroll down and tap on Payment Method. TikTok usually uses PayPal for withdrawals. Add your PayPal account and verify it. After linking, go back to your balance and tap on Withdraw. Make sure you've reached the minimum payout, usually around $10. Confirm the withdrawal, and your money will be transferred to your PayPal account. So, yeah, that's how you can withdraw money from TikTok easily. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching.